Welcome back to Cardiff Connected. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Find a Job tool. As a recent graduate, you will have access to some great opportunities in a whole host of different areas on the Cardiff Connected jobs board. To locate this tool, start on the main feed, then scroll to the sidebar and click on Jobs. You will then be taken to the jobs board landing page, which will display any vacancies that you may be eligible to apply for. To the right of the screen, you will find a filter by tool, where you can alter your preferences to make your search more specific to you based on a variety of filters, including company, industry, and location. For example, I'm going to look to see if there are any live opportunities within the NHS listed on Cardiff Connected. So I'll type in the company name and press enter, and any jobs that meet my search criteria will then appear. You can then click on any vacancy that is of interest to you to find out more information and use the Apply tool at the bottom of the screen to proceed to the application process. Happy job hunting!